Hello, in this section of the tutorial on the TI-84, TI-83, we're going to learn how to draw on our graphs. And you may be thinking to yourself, well, we've been drawing this entire time, graphs, right? And that's true, but what I'm talking about now is, what if you wanted to freehand draw something on top of a graph? You know, what if you had a graph of a nice function here, and you wanted to write a note to yourself about something unique about that function? Or maybe you wanted to draw an arrow. Maybe you had an intersection point or something, and you wanted to draw a little arrow saying, hey, look at this part of the graph here to remind yourself of something later. What if you wanted to write some text on there? Things like that. So there is a draw menu in the calculator here. And this draw menu has a lot of different things that you can do to put drawings on your graph. Now, again, I'm going to tell you the truth here. You're not going to use this very much. I'm going to give you a lesson here to show you how to use it because it's just important to know it's here. I don't think I've ever really used this very much. If I have to write a note to myself on a graph, then I'm probably not going to want to do it inside of my calculator. I'll probably do it on a computer or just write it on my piece of paper. But you never know. So you might have an occasion to need to do that. And so there's a lot of functions in here for that. So first, let's just go to the Y menu. Let's draw a simple graph. Let's make it x squared plus 1, and just convince yourself that it's being graphed on there. And so here it is. And let's say you wanted to draw some crazy things on the graph here, and so we can do that. Let's go into the draw menu. The first thing is you can clear the drawing by hitting number 1. We'll be doing a lot of that, and so let's just kind of go down below that for now. You can draw a line on here, and when I say draw a line, I'm talking about you can define the endpoints of a line segment and it will draw a line between them. It will not be a function. It will not be a mathematical thing that you can trace. It's literally like if you took your pencil and put it up on the calculator screen, just scribbled a line on there. That's what this is. So it's basically only used if you're going to create notes to yourself or something. But for some reason, let's say you were going to do this and you wanted to draw attention to this point in the graph. So you could hit enter here to define one endpoint. And you could basically, you see how your line is being drawn as I go down here.